right now. They're gonna probably blame it on the protesters. They're beating up their own car as we speak right now. Guys, they are beating up. Guys, they are fucking, look at that shit.
Yeah, get on the car.
Look at that
shit. Bounce on the hood, motherfucker.
Look at that shit. The cops are breaking their own car and they're gonna blame it on the protesters.
Woo!
We are here in the name of peace. The cops are breaking their own car and they're gonna blame it on the protesters.
Exactly, right?
And they put fuck 12 on it.
What do you do with that stick?
The police are committing a crime right now. They have dogs at the ready. The cops are breaking the window to their car.
Do a cooler trick?
The cops are breaking the window to
Yeah, spit on that car.
Get your anger out.
Oh, yeah.
You pull a hammy on that one?
Give it another whack.
Put your back into it.
I think you got your shoulder that time.
Red Sox.
the police, if you guys are just tuning in, the police have just damaged their own car and they're gonna blame it on the police department. I need you guys to spread this message as far as you can. That guy's pissed right there. Be careful. They got mace. The cops, please spread this, dude. The cops have just damaged the car and they're gonna blame it on the protesters.
Sprayed with tear gas and pepper spray.
Dude, the cops just, the Boston police or mercenaries in police uniform or what have you are breaking their car
Fun.
and they're gonna blame it on the protesters. I'm not getting too close. These guys have mace, but they just broke.
Even these dogs don't